Body weight split squats. So we're really working on that split stance form here on this exercise. I want you to put 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. We're gonna keep the majority of the weight on that front foot. The back foot's just there. It's kind of like a kickstand. I want you to focus on your balance, dropping the body straight down. We're pushing through that front heel, coming back up and repeating. Just go up and down here. When we're coming down, I want you to focus on keeping that knee in line with your foot, going straight down, straight up. Once you do all the reps on one side, go ahead and switch it over, do the same thing. What I want you to avoid here is taking too small of a step back in your split stance and letting that weight transfer over onto the front of the foot. Knee's gonna travel over the toes and it's gonna bring knee pain in that front knee. So make sure we get it back nice and far, coming straight down, straight up.